got this off of Amazon, and these are some anti-aging pills. It comes in this pretty box with just information on specifically what it is. A lot of big words there. And you've got some more information on each side of the box. That's the same as the front, and that's the same as the other side. So here is the bottle itself. Looks pretty fancy. So it does DNA repair, it's anti-aging, remonstrance, anti-aging, improve sub-health, restore vitality. You adjust the biological clock, improve insomnia, and deepen sleep. 60 capsules, easy to carry, 1 month course of treatment. And there's 60 in here, so that's a couple months. Tumor prevention, Aidevi American brand, FDA certification, GMP factory production. So, easy peasy, and pretty fancy way to, help repair and restore and do some cool things on the cellular level. So, I recommend these for anybody looking for these pills.